Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by choosing one non-negotiable wake time and sticking to it. This anchors your circadian rhythm. Once set, calculate current sleep debt and aim to recover by shifting bedtime earlier by 0.5 to 1 hour each night. At wake, get 10-30 minutes of bright natural light. This suppresses melatonin and signals daytime to your brain. Also, avoid caffeine after mid-afternoon and skip long naps now. These first steps start moving your internal clock toward a stable pattern. Once your wake time is fixed, focus on the evening routine that trains your brain for sleep. You should dim lights and reduce blue light exposure by about 90% for 30-60 minutes. This increases natural melatonin release. Make the bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Aim for roughly 16 to 19 degrees C, because core temperature drop promotes sleep. Follow consistent cues, calming activity, low-intensity reading, or stretching, and avoid heavy meals 2 to 3 hours before bed. These middle steps solidify the transition into sleep. To finish the process, reinforce the schedule daily and fine-tune in 15-minute increments if needed. Gradual shifts prevent rebound insomnia. If you lie awake more than 20 minutes, get up and do a calm, dim-light activity until sleepy. This prevents frustration from conditioning wakefulness. Track sleep for 2 weeks to spot patterns. Once done, adjust your wind down, caffeine timing, or morning light exposure based on what you see. If problems persist, troubleshoot by reducing evening stimulation first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.